Today, I'm presenting a brand new and highly profitable project that can make you thousands of dollars, and it's completely mobile. Stay tuned until the end of the video to discover how it works, how much you can earn, and all the equipment you'll need to start this powerful sandblasting and painting business. What is sandblasting? Sandblasting, also known as abrasive blasting, is the process of cleaning or smoothing a surface using high-pressure air mixed with sand or other abrasive materials. It removes rust, old paint, and dirt from metal, wood, or even concrete and stone. This technique restores any surface to a perfectly clean condition and prepares it for painting or coating. In short, sandblasting can make an old, rusty surface look brand new again. Essential equipment for a sandblasting project. To start a professional sandblasting business, you'll need the following equipment. Air compressor, the main power source that provides high-pressure air. A capacity of at least 3,000 liters, around 100 to 120 cubic feet per minute, is recommended. Sandblasting pot, pressure blaster. The tank where abrasive material, sand or grit, is stored before being mixed with air. High-pressure hoses. One connects the compressor to the sandblasting pot, and another connects the pot to the blasting nozzle. Blasting nozzle directs the sand at high speed toward the surface. Nozzle size usually ranges between 4 millimeters and 8 millimeters. Personal protective equipment, PPE. Sandblasting helmet with an air supply filter, protective suit, heavy-duty gloves, safety boots. Types of abrasive materials. Black grit, coal slag, for heavy-duty cleaning like tanks and steel structures. Silica sand, for wood, concrete, and light cleaning jobs. Garnet sand, for fine finishing and delicate surfaces. Step-by-step working process. Prepare the work area and make sure it's clean and safe. Connect the compressor to the sandblasting pot and fill it with the right abrasive material. Wear your full protective gear, especially the helmet and air filter. Start the compressor and blast from a safe distance, 20 to 30 centimeters, while keeping the nozzle moving evenly. Make sure the blasting is uniform to achieve a smooth, clean finish. Once finished, let the surface rest a few minutes before moving to the painting stage. Painting after sandblasting. After sandblasting, the surface is perfectly clean, but also exposed and vulnerable to oxidation. That's why painting must be done immediately after blasting to protect the surface and lock in that clean finish. Surface preparation, before painting clean. Off any dust or sand residue using compressed air or a dry cloth. Apply a primer coat. This base layer protects metal from rust and improves paint adhesion. Common options: epoxy primer or zinc-rich primer. Once the primer dries, apply the finish coat depending on the desired look and durability. Types of paint commonly used: epoxy paint. High resistance to moisture, chemicals, and corrosion. Ideal for tanks, trucks, and industrial equipment. Polyurethane paint. Provides a glossy finish and strong UV protection. Perfect for vehicles and outdoor structures. Industrial enamel. A more economical option for general metal surfaces like doors, fences, and beams. Anti-rust paint. Specifically designed for coastal or humid environments to prevent oxidation. Painting is done using a paint pump, airless paint sprayer, or a spray gun, pistol spray, connected to the same compressor used for sandblasting. Where you can work. The sandblasting and painting business offers wide opportunities and strong demand across different sectors. Cleaning and repainting trucks, trailers, and heavy vehicles. Preparing and coating industrial tanks and pipelines. Restoring streetlight poles and public structures. Repainting metal doors, gates, and windows. Cleaning stone or concrete facades. Preparing industrial and decorative concrete floors. You can set up a fixed workshop or run a mobile service, which allows you to go directly to clients and earn even more per project. Costs and profit potential. Starting a full sandblasting and painting business requires an investment of about $3,500 to $5,000 US, depending on the quality of your tools and setup. Your daily running costs, abrasive, paint, electricity, filters, remain relatively low. Sandblasting only. Average price, $4 to $7 per square meter. Sandblasting plus painting. Average price, $8 to $12 per square meter, depending on the paint type. Average cost per square meter, around $1. Materials plus power. Net profit, between $6 and $10 per square meter. With daily work of 10 to 15 square meters, you can easily make $100 to $150 per day, and more if you serve companies or government contracts. Imagine taking an old, rusty metal piece, faded, neglected, abandoned, and in a short time, transforming it into something brand new, like it just came out of the factory. That transformation isn't just cleaning. It's a professional service with high demand and amazing profit potential. And that's exactly what the sandblasting and painting business offers. A mobile, highly requested, low-investment project that gives strong returns from the very first job. The idea is simple. Using an air compressor, we push high-pressure air through an air filter and into the sandblasting pot, where the blasting media, sand, is stored. This sand mixes with compressed air and travels through a flexible hose to the nozzle, hitting the surface and removing rust, old paint, dirt, and even minor imperfections. There are different types of blasting media you can use. Black sand, for heavy steel and trucks, silica sand, the most common option, and copper slag, which is widely used by big companies for ships, tanks, and industrial surfaces. And as you've seen, this is the Sandblasting and Painting Project, a simple, powerful, and highly demanded service. Metals are always exposed to weather conditions, which cause rust and damage, and that's exactly where this service comes in. Restoring surfaces back to new and protecting them again for years. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share it with someone interested in this business. Maybe a friend looking for a profitable project idea. And don't forget to support the channel with a like and subscribe. Tell me in the comments, which city or country are you watching from? And is this project needed in your area? If there's anything you didn't understand from the video, just ask in the comments, and I'll reply to you personally.